Viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will share you the analysis about GBPJPY forecasting. How can you take entry or details? I'll just share my video where market can go. In the 1 hour time frame we can see here is W pattern. Yeah, W pattern already shown here. Yeah, so if W pattern want to happen here, then what will be the market structure will go? The market must be the upward market will cross this limit. You can TP at least here. Okay, it's TP point, TP, and you can take TP from the entry from here also. You can start your entry from this level or this level and TP it will be here. So market will go at 1 hour time frame, just confirmation here. What the 2 hour time frame saying there, it's also same saying. It will be the going to the W pattern, and here you will see some like market will not going straight forward. Okay, market will not go straight forward. Market will, like, suppose market will go here and come here, or go here and come, things like that happen. After that TP will be hit. So this analysis you can take entry from today. It will be very helpful for you, I think. So let me see the 3 hour time frame also confirmation it, and 4 hours. But 4 hours showing, 4 hours showing, 4 hours also confirmation. Yeah, it will be the up, it will be the upward trend. It's a 90% confirmation that market will be the go up. Daily also confirmation that market will go into the up. Weekly the bearish candle, but it's just decreases the bearish signal. It's going to the upward, it's going to the upward signal. So I think GBPJPY you got your confirmation. So all every day I will share, when market is on, I will share all types of confirmation entry and analysis from my YouTube channel. So just follow my channel, okay, every day. Thank you very much.